Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. If you're new, we're all about finding simple, actionable ways to turn your house into a home you truly love. Today, we're tackling one of the most important, but often most frustrating, spots in the house, the coffee table. It's more than just a place to put your remote or a lukewarm mug of tea. In the world of interior design, it's the anchor of your living room. It's the visual centerpiece that ties your furniture together. But how do you get that Pinterest-perfect look without it feeling cluttered? Today, we're breaking down the designer secrets to styling your coffee table like a pro. From the rule of 3 to adding organic textures, here are 5 ways to elevate your space instantly. The coffee table is more than just a place to put your remote or a lukewarm mug of tea. In the world of interior design, it's the anchor of your living room. It's the visual centerpiece that ties your furniture together. But how do you get that Pinterest-perfect look without it feeling cluttered or staged? Today, we're breaking down the designer secrets to styling your coffee table like a pro. From the rule of 3 to adding organic textures, here are 5 ways to elevate your space instantly. The foundation of almost every designer coffee table is the stack. Large format art or travel books add height, color, and personality. Designer tip: don't just stack them randomly. Choose 2 or 3 books of varying thicknesses and stack them from largest to smallest. Pro move: make sure the titles reflect who you are. Whether it's photography, architecture, or cooking, these are great conversation starters for guests. If your table feels flat, it's probably because everything is the same height. Designers use the rule of 3 to create visual interest. Try grouping 3 items of different scales. Something tall, like a sculptural vase or a tall taper candle. Something medium, a stack of those books we mentioned. Something small, a decorative box, a brass figurine, or a unique crystal. By varying the heights, you force the eye to move around the table, making the display feel dynamic rather than static. Every designer-styled room needs a touch of life. Without greenery, a coffee table can feel a bit sterile. You don't need a massive bouquet. A single branch of eucalyptus, a bowl of dried moss balls, or even a small succulent adds a much-needed organic texture. If you're worried about maintenance, high-quality real-touch faux stems work just as well to soften the hard edges of the table. If you have a large table or find that things just look messy, use a tray. Trays are the ultimate cheat code for coffee table decor. They ground your items and make them look like a curated collection rather than a pile of stuff. Style hack: if you have a rectangular table, try a round tray to break up the linear lines. It adds a layer of sophistication and makes tidying up a breeze when you need the surface space for snacks. The biggest mistake people make? Overstyling. A designer coffee table still needs to be functional. Make sure to leave some negative space, empty areas where you can actually put down a glass or rest your feet. A good rule of thumb? Your decor should take up about 1/3 to 1/2 of the table surface. Any more, and it starts to look like a shop display rather than a home. Styling your home is a process of trial and error, so don't be afraid to swap things out until it feels just right. Which of these tips was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more interior design secrets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.